Trokiando channel into another video. Today, the race that you guys been waiting for. The race red Coyote versus the black Coyote. The Whipple versus NA. A ver quién va a ganar, a ver quién se chinga aquí la race. El Cuz is going to be driving the red one, Whipple, and I'm going to be driving the black one. Nomás porque esta está... I mean, we know he's pushing 450 against 505, but I think this one right here is going to take the win. I don't know.
On paper, this one should have won because it's supercharged. But we'll see, I mean...
Well, you don't have to shift that one, right?
I don't have to shift this one. This one I downshift to the gear I want and let it go. This one you gotta keep up with the shifting.
So he already has an advantage on me.
Nah, it's still good, bro. You got drag radius. I got 20 on street tires. A 20 roll, a 40 roll, and a 60.
This one tops out at 100.
You hit 100. Obviously, if we're creeping from a 60, if you fucking jump in front of me, then it's like, all right, well, you took the win. But we'll let the viewers decide that. See who wins. Which I think is gonna win? The race red Coyote or the black Coyote?
So what's the plan, bro? What's the plan? We were just
We're gonna do the first one just on drive, just to get a feel for the truck. As soon as the countdown starts and he says 2, then I step on it. It'll be a little bit of delay, and then by the time he says 3, the truck should be taking off. That's the plan. So we'll see right now.
We gotta get this truck tuned or something, because on the black one, he can downshift to the gear he wants to start the race in.
Yeah.
And as soon as he steps on it, it'll shift for him.
Yeah.
So
Not on this one. On this one, I would have to manually shift up as soon as I step on it.
1, 2, 3. No, my man. Yeah, I know. I can tell you took a while, bro.
Okay. Now I got it.
Who? I don't think he did. 1, 2, 3.
What happened?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
The 20 roll, it was like 25, no, más o menos. It wasn't even actual 20. Nah, my side.
This is 25. I got
25,
that.
yeah, it was like a 25. So what you did straight D?
I just straight D. As soon as he said 2, I would step on the gas. That way, when he says 3, it takes off.
Yeah, because it's very laggy.
It is.
The tune on this one is very conservative. As soon as you said 3 on this one, I step on it, like, it fucking goes, it rips.
I'm telling you, I told you, man. You doubted what I said about this one
What?
probably being faster. Just
I didn't, bro.
yeah, bro.
I told you.
You said this one over here. Nah, honestly, it might be.
Let's swap. You want to try this one? I ride at 100, I let go. Because I knew over 100 it wasn't going to go. So I ride at 100, I let go. But esta motherfucker, like, as soon as you get on it, no se rasca, güey.
Nah, this one's fucking badass, dude.
Well, then on this one, I'll drop it down.
You gotta drop it a gear, güey.
That way, it takes off as soon as I
Yeah, you gotta drop it a gear. Because on this one, it was like right now, it was on 3rd gear, I think. Or 2nd gear. I think it was 3rd gear. And then le das. So at a 40 roll, you gotta be at least 3rd or 4th. Probably 4. Check it que esté como unas 4,000 RPMs. You know the 40 roll, right?
Yeah, well, let's keep it consistent.
Yeah, keep it consistent.
See if going manual on the shifts will help at all.
Yeah, you're not that far off.
The first one he was, and the second one he was better.
¿Dónde estaban más o menos? Like you
Okay,
were
we're
like
like-
right here, no?
Probably like right here.
Yeah, like you're
Yeah.
on the bedside, so it's not.
No, it's pretty fucking close. I mean, dude, this one with a tune, it's gonna wake up.
Just with the exhaust.
Nah, well, exhaust a little bit, but with the tune, bro.
Yeah.
The tune's really gonna wake it up.
We gotta do the exhaust on this one next. Stay tuned for that. Long tube headers, full exhaust. Y luego we're gonna take it back to Modular Motorsports with Alex and throw it back on the dyno because we know it puts 505 to the wheels. Now with the exhaust, a ver si sube.
See if it opens it up a bit
See if it
and
opens
lets it
up.
breathe more.
Yeah, because those cats,
Restrictive as fuck.
they did restricted as fuck. Yeah.
Hey, do we still have 20 PSI?
No, I already added it.
Oh, you added it? Oh,
It's
okay.
got 30 or 35.
It's doing pretty good. I mean, they're hooking.
Pero se está, like, is it losing traction?
I can't tell.
No, it's
Fucking
going.
traction
It's,
for putting some
it's going straight, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even having to, like, I just hold the wheel. It doesn't, like, I don't know how to turn to.
He's like, Jesus, hold the wheel.
I'm just like this, like, oh, bro.
Hey, we ain't fucking with that. We ain't fucking with that. No, but hey, These tires are sticky, bro. Every time we pull it up and you just hear all the rocks it's picking up and slinging. Hey bro, how do you feel about him moving the GoPro, pointing more back?
Pointing back?
It's pointing back now, bro.
The level of disrespect, bro.
It'd be your own, kinfolk. It'd be your own kinfolk, bro.
You did it so you can see the tire marks that I leave.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Let's fucking go! Let's go!
Did I jump?
He fucked up toward that GoPro the wrong way. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Hey! Hey! You should have pointed that GoPro the other way. Otra? Alright, bet. 1, 2, 3! Hey bro, this guy's crazy. I thought he was gonna be like really timid with it, but no, hombre, he don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck, bro.
That's how I used to drive my truck back in the day, man. Shit.
The Ram?
The Ram, bro.
Shit,
Something like that.
Alright guys, we just pulled up the Texas Hold'em. We got some badass quality rides in here, yeah. Chulada de trocas, but that was a good race, bro.
That was a good race.
Feel like it was a good race?
It was a good race, yeah.
That Whipple wakes up when you drop the gears, bro.
As soon as I put it on him and stepped on it, that bitch took off, man.
So we had 2 races where obviously you were just straight
It
deep.
was just straight deep.
Straight deep. Straight deep. Obviously, the black one was ahead, but then once you dropped the gears
Once
on
you
the
put it in
first
manual,
one,
I was up putting it in manual, man.
straight thing.
Yeah, then I get it with
a loss is a loss. Yeah, ni pedo. I took off on the wrong gear. I thought I had it. I didn't have it. He took me. The second one, though, nos quedamos parejitos. Estaba con madre. Parejitos. So that was a good run. What you guys think about that race? Como quiera, the Coyote, the race race, we're taking it to the exhaust shop here pretty soon. Full exhaust, long tube headers, back to the dyno, get some numbers, and then get it tuned. We're gonna go back to the same guy that tuned the black one, 5-star. I'd be happy at like maybe 600.
650.
I mean, your truck is getting faster, bro. The
Damn.
black one, yeah, black one stopped out, yeah.
Yeah, the black one, that's it. That's the max. We
So
need
now
to
we're
throw
gonna
Whipple on
put-
that one.
We're gonna have to put the GoPro on the red one pointing back,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
A huevo.
I was
Good,
like,
bro.
the disrespect, man.
Bro.
I hope it caused
For real.
some tire marks. I don't know if it'll have tire marks or not. We'll find
Yeah,
out.
for real. The first race should have been pointing back. The second race should have been pointing like parejito. We had it backwards. Trial and error. We need another GoPro. Cárgate, güey.
Okay.
We're on that GoPro 7, right? We had the 360, but we lost that bitch. Well, we didn't lose it, but we
One on
dropped
each
it.
truck.
Let's check out some of the whips right here, guys. And thanks, hold them. Badass quality rides. Like, let's get some ideas. A ver qué compramos.